How to add hashtag on Instagram Reels after posting. So if you want to add a hashtag on the Instagram Reel that you already posted, all you have to do now, after you open your Instagram, this now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. So after you come to your profile, now tap on this section to access your reels that you posted. So if you come to this section, here are the reels that I posted on my Instagram. So let's say I want to add hashtag under this reel, so tap on it. After you open the reel like this, all you have to do now, tap on this three dot at the bottom right side. This three dot, tap on it. After you tap on this three dot, now tap on this manage. As you can see now, tap on this manage section. After you tap on this manage, now tap on this edit. This edit, tap on it. After you tap on this edit, as you can see now here is the option for you to add hashtag. So all you have to do now, tap on this section. So after you tap on this section, as you can see now you get your writing pencil. So tap on it. As you can see now tap on this. As you can tap on this numbers to get your hash, and tap on this hash key, and go ahead and type in your hashtag, like as you can see now, guys. So after you select your hashtag that Instagram gives you a suggestion, so tap on this save button. Allow it now to finish loading. So as you can see now, here is it now. As you can see now, I added this hashtag now on my Instagram. Here is it, as you can see now. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.